In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and for free record and transcribe calls from your iPhone. So first things first, go ahead and make a call. And when your call is live, as you can see, I'm chatting with my dad here. In the upper left-hand corner, you are going to see a new icon. I'm going to highlight it now. It looks like a little waveform with a record button in the lower right-hand corner. And what you can now do, if you have the newest version of iOS, so you need to be running iOS 18.1 or later. So go to your settings, check for updates, make sure you're running the most recent version of iOS. It needs to be 18.1 or later, and make a call and start the call. And when you see the timer start kind of going up as you're connected to someone, you'll see that icon in the upper left-hand corner. Just tap on that there. It's going to say you're going to use the iPhone app to record a call, then you'll transcribe and summarize it. So go ahead and tap continue. And as you can see, this call will be recorded. It's an audio prompt, and it will let the other person know that this call is being recorded. And you can even take notes on this call. As you can see, the Notes app shows a notification at the very top. Now, as you are talking or chatting with this person, you are now going to see a running timer at the middle of your screen that shows the record button where you can actually stop recording. Now, this is going to record both you speaking into your phone as well as the other person. And then once you do that, you'll then be able to hit stop, the stop button there, stop record, and that will stop it. And it says view saved call. You just tap into view saved call and then go into the note there. And you're going to see a note that is titled call with and then the person's name. And then we can go back here and just hit the play button. It will work like any other audio within Notes where you can pause it like I'm doing here. You can rewind it or fast forward it in 15-second increments. And that's it. That's how you, for free and quickly, record a call within iOS. The file will be saved directly into your Notes, and you just tap and hold like this here, and you can play from the beginning. You can rename it. You can share or save as an audio to your files folder. You can share the audio like I am here via a message. If you want the other person to get it, you can text message them the call recording, and then I could airdrop it if I wanted to as well. That's it. That's how you record the call. Have any questions, put those down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.